That's in Tahitian. In Samoan, it means open wound. I knew I wanted to get a tattoo when I turned 18. I always wanted one. I just decided to get it now to make it kind of a reward.
For what?
For not calling or texting Allison all summer. Even when I really wanted to, even when it was so hard not to sometimes. I was trying to give her the space she wants. You know, and 4 months later, it still hurts. Still feels like an open wound. Yeah.
Pain's gonna be worse than anything you've ever felt.
Oh, sweet.